Tableau looks powerful on paper, but real users say it's expensive, hard to learn, and slows down as dashboards gets complex. Steep learning curves for beginners, high licensing costs for teams, and performance issues when you actually scale. And that's exactly why teams are switching to Zoho Analytics, a modern BI platform built to be simple, fast, and affordable. With Tableau, even basic tasks quickly become add-ons, extra tools, and additional costs just to get your data ready. But Zoho Analytics takes a different approach. With 500+ native data connectors, you can connect cloud apps, databases, files, and even custom applications without needing any third-party tools. Data prep, built right in. Cleanse, model, transform, and enrich, using an intuitive visual interface. And while complex Tableau dashboards can slow performance and productivity, Zoho Analytics keeps things fast and simple with drag-and-drop reporting. No steep learning curve required. Collaboration is effortless. Share dashboards instantly, control access with roles, and work together in real time. No endless email chains. Security, fully covered. Row-level access, authentication, encryption, enterprise-grade protection built in. Now let's talk cost. With Tableau, the base price is only the beginning. Add-ons for data prep, collaboration, or AI. Zoho Analytics has a built-in agentic AI assistant. Helps with instant insights, predicting trends, and much more. Zoho Analytics keeps pricing simple and transparent, starting at just $8 per user per month. Choose clarity over complexity. Choose speed over struggle. Choose Zoho Analytics.